Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you turn on or turn off the history on Google Chat. Alright, so you can open the Google Chat apps or you can open Gmail and select chat. So you can select chat you like to adjust for the history. Just click on the account again and appears the option right here. So select history and just turn off and turn on. Yeah, if you select on for history, so the messages sent and now are saved. But if you adjust for the op, you can see the latest new message in 24 hours. Yeah, I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.